breaks a little bit. Hold on a little bit now. Let me ask you something. Big up all grandmother. My grandmother at this. You want to live long? Like granny, old age? Let me ask you this. Let me ask you something. Tell me something. The eye them know the real purpose of living? Me say, if the eye them know the real purpose of life, then if you know the real purpose of life, the way I grown and I kill people for them, you're not going to soon dead too. You don't know what life value. Priceless. Love it and care it and protect it. Can't plan can. I want to get peace. If you take a life, you're going to lose your life too. You know the value of life? You know, star. Life is what we need. Life is what we want. Life is what we're searching for. People get sick, they're trying to find a doctor. No one wants to die. And you know, come and kill people. Big up grandmother, you can't live till you know all. Big up my grandmother Panawana. To the world. Me say if you know the full purpose of life. If you didn't know the full purpose of life, you would not go on and kill people. Judgment by you. Remember, you know, here they come. And I'm on his Chinaman, the veteran site from Veteran TV. See, pre, go to YouTube right now, my general them, and type Village Reporter site, and the item will get Veteran TV. Down. Good evening to the item. Have a wonderful week. May I just make you have a wonderful night or a wonderful day alone. You know, may I go into the week for wonderful. Amend on the ways, change on the ways, and remember, you come from one country where God love. That's why God no mash up this yet, because pure corruption will not go on without there. You see all the police, some of the police out there. I want to know if somebody are telling you what to do or somebody paying you to do it, you know. You know, not handle the citizens of Jamaica right, you know. War are going to broke out here, you know. And men do no ways. Love one and all. And serve God, the Almighty. Me stop talk to you in the name of the Almighty God. Love you know.